Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel AI Wiz. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to remove or hide a Character.AI bot that you have created. So first, open your Character.AI in your web browser or mobile application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Here in the characters option, you will see all the bots you have created. So for now, I only have one, but if you have multiple, scroll through your list and tap on the bot you want to delete. Since Character.AI does not allow permanent deletion, the best option is to hide your bot. To do this, tap the three-dot menu or settings icon. Scroll through this page, then make it private by tapping on private button. This will make the bot invisible to everyone except you. If you don't want to hide the bot but want to make changes, you can edit its name. For that, scroll upwards and through this section, you can actually edit the name and tap save. And yes, that's how you remove or hide a bot on Character.AI. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.